The future is not coming. It is already here. And the students who understand technology today will lead the world tomorrow. Welcome to Vidyodayam, Robotics and AI Tools. Training center where education meets technology. In today's fast-changing world, textbook knowledge alone is not enough. Students need real skills, creative thinking, and hands-on experience with modern technology. At Vidyodayam, students don't just learn. They build robots, work with powerful AI tools, explore electronics and smart sensors, and create real-world technology projects. Our training develops problem-solving skills, logical thinking, innovation mindset, and confidence with future technologies. Whether your child dreams of becoming an engineer, scientist, developer, or innovator, this is where their journey begins. For the first time in Proddatur, students can access world-class robotics and AI learning. Right in their own town. Give your child the skills that schools don't teach, but the future demands. Join Vidyodayam, Robotics and AI Tools. Training Center today, shaping young minds for a smart future.